All right, today we're going to bring a Droid tablet. This is a higher model, a larger model. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's open it up. We're going to see how fast it runs and what it can handle. So first of all, they give you the tablet itself. If you guys can see, we're going to open it up and see how well made it is. And this is pretty large. It has a large camera in the back. If you guys can see it, I like the extra colors. They do have multiple colors. Camera, there's a camera here on the side here. So if you're going to Zoom calls, you can do that. It's back camera. Very thin and very small. They give you the manual included, a cleaning wipe, keyboard included. They give you a case with it. You guys can see the case with it. They give you a pen. And they give you a screen protector. They give you a screen protector. All right. So that's not bad. All included. And of course, if you have a SIM card, you want to include your SIM card, you can do that too. So you can get actual internet through there. So they give you that. And then in here is the actual power station. All right. They included a bunch of accessories. This is a bargain. They give you a mouse, a keyboard, a pen, earphones for your actual headsets for your tablet. Power station, including with the keyboard. We're going to set this up and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take a look at the side of the actual tablet. You guys can see the actual camera sticks out just a little tiny bit, a couple of centimeters. Now you do have your audio jack, your 3.5 audio jack. You got your SIM card here, and that's what they give you this little needle in here. It's to pop out any kind of SIM card that you want to include, or your provider to include it, and all you got to do is pop it out, and then you're able to actually set it up. If you guys can see that, you could do your SIM card and a memory card too at the same time. So it has a slot for 2, which is great. So if you want more memory, more games and stuff like that, you could save them in there. On top of the tablet, you got your power, your volume control, your microphone, and then you have a Type-C connection for charging. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. All you got to do is hold down the button the first time it turns on. Now, I like that they include the keyboard. Everything's included in here. You guys can see the keyboard. Very thin keyboard, all right? And you also have to charge this one. You also have to charge this one with an actually micro USB. It has a couple of response here. There's a charging. There's an off and on connection and the Bluetooth connection here. And the cap lock lights. For the mouse, we are going to use there's no Bluetooth. It's a wireless. So we need to use the wireless device. We take out the wireless in here, and that's what they give you this converter, all right? Type-C to A. So we're going to plug this in here so we could get that connection. And all we got to do is plug it in the actual side of the actual system here, and we plugged it in, and make sure that we turn on the actual system too. So the great thing about the keyboard, it's very quiet, and look how fast it types in, right? They give you the mouse, the keyboard. I like this part. It's detachable. You can put it anywhere you want. You don't have to worry about, putting it in here or damaging it. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on the camera. This is one of my watches, all right? And I just want to see how good the quality in the video is compared to other things. Now let's take a couple pictures too. I'm going to take a picture of a close-up. I normally use my iPad to watch a lot of YouTubes here, so we're going to go ahead and watch something, bro. So we're going to do a full screen here.
It's Ukraine instead. It is Russian partisans whom he believes are behind the
full screen. All right, let's test out the racing for a minute again. Now, I like that they give you the pen. It's accessible. You can move anywhere you want. Easy to use. You could click on things. You could open up things. You could pretty much go through your calendars and go through anything. I mean, this is a great plus thing. I'm just make sure that you're aware how to use this. You got to click down when you want to click on there, right? And it just takes me to close all the tabs. Go out of Windows. Very simple, easy to use. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.